I'm Tom George, founder and president of Tom George Yacht Group. I've always tried to instill, and I think in all of our employees, all of our brokers, is just personalized service. Our compass rose has a meaning. It's basically kind of pointing clients in the right direction with good knowledge, good experience, and that was the whole kind of concept when we kind of designed TGYG, Tom George Yacht Group, the compass rose, kind of pointing you in the right direction. We feel that we take our clients, we lead them down the correct path, we use our experience and kind of give that to clients.
My name is Jimmy Rogers. I'm the yachts team manager here at the Tom George Yacht Group. Tom and I started the company back in 2009. It was just he and I in a small office. We had both come from another company and we're starting fresh in the height of the recession. And we decided to begin this new company with a fresh approach and basically put our clients and their needs above all else. And we never really lost sight of that. And over the last 11 years to date, we've grown from a company of two into a thriving firm offering new boat sales, pre-owned boat sales, brokerage, yacht service, yacht management, construction management with over 35 employees. So it's been quite a ride.
What sets us really apart, if I had to pick one thing, would be that we can service our customers that maybe take further ventures, trips to the Keys, the Bahamas, the Great Loop trip. We can provide warranty and service work to those clients as well through our extensive network of other service providers along their trip or travels, and been very successful with that.
Everybody's boat, it's their yacht. Whether somebody's buying a 100-foot, 15-foot, or anything in between. And what that allows us to do is create a unique experience that can help somebody start on a 15-foot and go all the way as far as they want to go. And it separates us because there's not many organizations that have such a full spectrum of what they can offer to their clients.